Once he had gone to England to attend a very important conference. Who had gone to England to attend very important conference? Gandhiji. So once Gandhiji had gone to England to attend a very important conference. King George of England gave a reception to the participants of the conference at his palace. So this shows that Gandhiji was invited by King George of England, who asked him to participate at the conference at his palace. People received by the king have to dress up in a certain way. At that time, England ruled over India, means those people who have to meet King George have to be dressed up in a decent clothes. And at that time, England ruled over India, means in India it was ruled by England. People in England wanted to know if Gandhiji would change the style of his dress to see the king. Gandhiji made it clear that he will be dressed in his usual way, even when visiting the king. So, people of England wanted to know what? They wanted to know that Gandhiji will wear decent dresses or he will wear simple dress. So, Gandhiji made it clear that he will dress in his usual way even when visiting the king of England, means he will wear dhoti and the shawl, but he will not wear the decent clothes. So he made it clear that he will wear his simple dress only. Gandhiji was not bothered by what style of dress the British approved of, so long as the poor people in his country did not have enough clothes to wear. So, Gandhiji did not bother that he should wear decent clothes or he should wear simple clothes to go and meet the king, but he thought only of the poor people in his country who were not having enough clothes to wear. Finally, the king had to welcome at his reception this great man dressed in a simple loincloth and a shawl. So, finally, the king had decided to welcome Gandhiji in his reception dressed in a simple loincloth and a shawl. The king himself was dressed quite extravagantly. Gandhiji was asked whether he had enough clothes on for meeting with the king. He replied that the king had enough clothes for both of them. Now we will see the king himself was dressed quite extravagantly. Extravagantly means in a royal dress or different dress. And Gandhiji was asked whether he had enough clothes on for meeting with the king, means whether he can change another dress. But what Gandhiji replied? He replied that the king had enough clothes for both of them. Why he said so? Because the king had welcomed Gandhiji at the meeting. Millions of poor people in India felt happy that Mahatma Gandhi dressed like them. So, poor people who were not having enough clothes to wear, they were happy. Why they were happy? Because they felt that Mahatma Gandhi did not think that they are different, and so they felt happy that he also, means Mahatma Gandhi, dressed like them. Although Mahatma Gandhi did not use any destructive weapons, he had millions of staunch followers. Staunch followers means people who believe in him. So, although he did not use any destructive weapons, he had millions of staunch followers, means people believed him in truth, simplicity, and non-violence. Gandhiji showed all the suppressed people in the world the new path of Satyagraha. So, he taught us not to fight in violence but to believe in non-violence, and he showed us the new path of Satyagraha. He is remembered for his greatness not only in India but in all parts of the world. So we always celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October.